Hey crafters, I got a cute project for you today. I'm taking a block of wood that I got from Dollar Tree and I'm taking Antique Wax by Waverly. I spray a little bit of water on the block, put on the wax, and then wipe it back to create a stained look. I've done this lots of times, very easy to do without actually buying stain. I will repeat this process on the bottom and all four sides. You can use a baby wipe or a wet paper towel, that works as well. Anything just to get some of that excess wax off of there and to wipe it back a little bit. I will let that dry while I take 3 pieces of wood that I got at a craft store. They're a couple inches long, about an inch wide, and they are very distressed. And I have 3 slightly different sizes here. So I'm going to take a little bit of cream chalk paint and lightly brush the paint on top of the one side of the wood. I'm going to do this to all 3 of my pieces, and I'm only doing one side, but you can do 2 sides if you want to. I did go in and put a second coat because the first coat kind of dried a little lighter than I wanted to. So you can go in and put as many coats as you want. I do want a distressed look, so I only went with 2 light coats. I'm going to use a heat gun here to dry up my paint, or you can let it sit and dry overnight or a few hours. But I wanted to move this project along, so I used my heat gun. I then took a Sharpie and I'm drawing 2 eyes and a mouth. As you can see, I'm going to make 3 ghosts. You could also use some paint, but I thought it easier to draw on with a Sharpie. I'm going to take my block of wood that was drying, make sure it's good and dry. And while my heat gun warms up, I'm going to take a tea-stained tag and some letter stamps and stamp out the word boo. And I'm going to figure out where I want these to stand on the wood. I am taking a little bit of wood glue and a little bit of hot glue for that instant hold. And I'm going to glue it down to the top of the block of wood. And I'll repeat that process for the other 2. They're looking really cute so far. I decided to add moss at the bottom. This is optional, but it does create a nice cute look to it. And the moss is from the Dollar Tree, but you can get it from any craft store or Amazon as well. And I'm going to hot glue that down. So I put a good amount of hot glue and place the moss on top. This can get messy, so make sure you're doing it in an area that you don't mind getting messy. I then have these small pumpkins I also picked up at a craft store, and I'm just going to glue down a few of them near the ghosts. Looking at this from behind, these would make cute tombstones too. Maybe I'll have to do that in a future project. Now I'm going to take my boo tag and glue it to the front ghost. And there we go. We have a cute, easy DIY Halloween decor. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe as it does help out the channel. And as always, have a great day.